Hey y'all gonna hang out with your girl Lavina today while we do this DoorDash and get some shmoney? Okay, so if y'all gonna hang out with me, let's go. But before we go, today's goal is $100. Can we get $100? Let's see. Let's go, y'all. Hey y'all, we got our first order today. It is for Levelyn, and she has 3 items here at the McDonald's behind me. Now let's go on in there, y'all, and see if her order even ready. Hopefully they on top of their business today, because it be cold in that McDonald's and they never on top of their business. Let's go see if today gonna be something a little different. Let's go. Y'all, why they say they ain't doing no DoorDash right now? The system went down. So now I gotta call DoorDash. But that's okay. All right, let me call DoorDash, y'all. Don't you just love stuff like this? Not really. Hey y'all, so that McDonald's order was, it was nothing that anybody can do. I unassigned that order. It didn't affect my acceptance rating because they system down as far as DoorDash, Uber Eats, and things like that, and that does happen. However, you guys, we just got another order for Steak and Shake. It's $5, you guys, for 5 minutes. Now let me tell you guys, you might notice me taking some not so good orders, because right now, you guys, we are at a 70% acceptance rating. So basically I can't really decline none, okay? So, or we're gonna lose that dash now button. So we're gonna see how this day goes, but I'm hopeful. It is what it is, you know what I mean? So let's go on in here and get Busty Tea. This day order Busty Tea. Let's go see if Busty Tea order ready. Let's go. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go take Busty her order. We didn't wait that long on that order. We only waited like 2 or 3 minutes. They had to get Busty food together. So let's go ahead and drop this off. Let's go. It ended up being a meet a new friend. Busty T was waiting out here. So let's go on and see if we can get another one. See you guys at the next delivery. Or pickup, let me say that. We here at Starbucks for our second order together, and guess what? We got one of those orders I was telling y'all about, one of them trash upside down orders, but your girl cannot decline it. We got to do these miles. We got a $6.75 one item Starbucks pickup for Ian, and you guys, the miles is miling. $6.75 for 10 miles. I'm hanging on to that dash now button for dear life. Let's go in here and get Ian order, y'all. Ready, y'all. We got the goods, y'all. Okay, let's go deliver Ian his order. See y'all there. Okay, y'all, let's take in his order. Thank you for your business. Y'all, well, the drive over here definitely took that sting out. And also, he added a $3 tip. So that made it better. So thank you, Ian, for the $3 tip. So you guys, see you guys at the next delivery. Let's go. Hey y'all, so we have our third order together. We have a shop and deliver for Lindsay. It was $15.75, y'all, going 3 miles. Look at God. I really needed this. So let's go on and win this shop for Lindsay. When I make stupid mistakes, knowing that it was alcohol on here. Now I gotta walk all the way back to the car and get my dang on wallet. This, y'all. What a day this has already been, okay? I walked all the way in this 100-degree weather for my ID, y'all. Why she ain't even asked for the ID? Let's go deliver Lindsay stuff so we can just keep moving on along, child. Hey y'all, so we at Lindsay's house. We need to scan her ID since she got her a bottle of wine, some Pinot, y'all. So let's go on up to Lindsay's apartment. Okay, y'all, we completed Lindsay's order. Let's go ahead and see if we can get another one, a couple more actually, before 2 o'clock for my break. All right. Hey y'all, I'm sitting at Target under some shade tree, but y'all, today is gonna be a fight. I don't know, I was up and I didn't get like my proper rest last night. I was tossing and turning up, just couldn't go back to sleep, y'all. But look, I just checked my pro shopper stats, and between yesterday and day before yesterday, I've encountered a scammer, you guys. You know, the people who say they didn't get their order or they have missing items. Now, y'all been shopping with me for the last two days, honey. Everybody got their stuff, and if I didn't get it and I had to replace it or refund it, it's because it wasn't there. What am I gonna do about it? But I'm not upset. But one thing us gig workers, we have to deal with is the scammers, you guys. The people who just want something for nothing. And then, you know, it dropped my pro shopper rating down to a 3 out of 6, y'all. But it's all good. I can get it back up. But y'all, whoever is scamming, or, you know, people who say, oh, my order didn't come, can y'all stop that, please? It's not nice and it's not fair to us. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. We got 2 more to go. My break is at 2. So I'm hoping, you know what I mean, that we can get our last 2 orders. Oh, we got something right here. It's at Carrabba's, y'all. Let's see what it is. And we do, y'all. Carrabba's, $11.75, going only 2 miles. God don't play about me. It's going to be all right. Let's go to Carrabba's, y'all. Thank you. You have a good day. You too. I mean, you know. All right. We got the food, y'all. Let's go deliver it. Okay, y'all, we here at Gracie's house. Let's go take her food. There you go. Have a good day. All right, you're welcome. Okay, y'all, let's see if we can get a couple more before 2 o'clock. Let's go. Hey, y'all, we got our last order together. We got to go to Ruby Tuesdays for David. He have something from the salad bar. I think they just a salad. But, okay, you guys, this order is paying $8, going 10 minutes away. Let's go to Ruby Tuesdays. Here, y'all, it looks like we're going to be waiting for a minute. Let's see. Be right back. Good, y'all. Okay, y'all, we got 10 minutes to David house. Let's go. David house. Let's go deliver his order. Thank you for your business. Hey y'all, so we just completed our last delivery together, and I just want to say thank y'all so much for riding along and working with me today. I hope you all have a great day, and tonight I will let you guys know if we made our quota. See you soon. Bye. Hey everybody, so I'm done with my night shift. I'm finally home, you guys. I did the 5 to 9 as well. So you want to know if I made my quota, and we did make our quota tonight, you guys. I'm loving this split shift. You make at least half or a little bit on the day, on the 10 to 2, then you make the rest on the 5 to 9, and you can get you some rest and don't be all extra exhausted and all that. But anyway, y'all, so we made $122.25. Okay, you guys, and I'm happy with it. I feel good about it. You know, it is what it is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at work, okay? All right. Bye-bye.